and he'd belly flop. The parrots would mimic hic, hic, hoo. The elephants joined in with a trumpet or two. The jungle was rolling with giggles and glee. Hiccup, the hippo, you're funny to me. Hic, hiccup, oh what a sound. He hiccuped so hard he bounced off the ground. Even the lion let out a cheer. We love your hiccups, bring them here. So if you hear hiccups in the jungle at night, it's just our friend Hippo, feeling alright. With a hic and a chuckle, he rolls with pride. The hiccup in Hippo, our jungle